Hello and welcome, you're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesian Office of Communication OSC of the Salesian Province of Ecuador ECU has carried out the second animation visit of 2024 to the community of Meghalaya and the San Juan Bosco Educational Unit of Zaruma with the aim of motivating and accompanying the work of the young communicators present in these places. The visits, which took place on 3rd and 4th of July, had as their central axis Pope Francis' message for the 58th World Communications Day 2024, Artificial Intelligence and Wisdom of the Heart for Fully Human Communication. During the meeting with young people, Pope Francis' appeal to communicators to use AI responsibly was shared, emphasizing the importance of combining it with wisdom of the heart to generate a positive impact on society. The development of this theme is in line with what is established within the Provincial Organic Project. For this reason, the activities developed with the participants were aimed at fostering a critical sense of current communication tools and putting into practice the teachings that Don Bosco left to save the souls of young people. On 6th and 7th July, the Provincial House of the Salesians of Bangalore, INK, hosted the gathering of Salesians engaged in practical training and studies. The meeting was designed to inspire and prepare young Salesians for their role in the modern world. The meeting included sessions led by Father Eugene Dixon and Father Bastin Neliseri, focusing on the Salesian communicator of Generation Z. Through in-depth presentations, they addressed the unique challenges and opportunities in contemporary media communication. A diverse group of over 32 Salesians took an active part in the sessions, which explored the practical skills of the media. The spiritual dimension of the meeting was enriched through the sacraments of confession and Eucharist, celebrated by Father Jose Koyikal, INK Provincial, and his Vice Provincial, Father Shalbin Kalancheri. From Sunday, June 30th to Saturday, July 6th, 2024, the 23rd Salesian Youth Pilgrimage of Evangelization took place, carried out as per tradition from Smarhon to Budzlau and organized by the Salesians of Don Bosco in Belarus. The SMEP was attended by young people from Salesian environments and other parishes throughout Belarus. During the journey to Budzlau, the pilgrims were accompanied by Salesian priests. The provincial delegate for the Salesians of Don Bosco in Belarus, Father Pavel Sharbitsky, who was also responsible for the pilgrimage, Father Ale Karalu, Father Mikhail Radovic, who this year led the spiritual reflections of the journey, and the Salesian in initial formation, Michael Wisniewski. Last Monday, July 8, 2024, the Governor of the State of Tripura, Honorable Indrasena Reddy Nalu, inaugurated the new building attached to the Don Bosco School in Agartala in the presence of the school management, staff, students and several other guests during a ceremony held in the atrium of the new building. The new structure, built on the occasion of the school's 25th anniversary as a quality learning institution, will house the students of what, according to the National Education Policies (NEP), is the founding phase from kindergarten to class 2. The illustrious guest was welcomed by the contingent of scouts of the school, young people from the various groups, and also by some nuns from the nearby convents, Auxilium, Ferrando and Holy Spirit. Don Bosco World has taken the place of Don Bosco Space as the theme of the summer camps that the Salesian houses of Aleppo, Damascus and Kafron offer this year to almost 3,000 minors for about a month and a half. In the midst of the difficult economic and social situation of the country, which this year has been at war for 13 years, and with the effects of last year's devastating earthquake, the Salesians continue to transform their environments into oases of peace in which joy and hope reign, thanks to the educational, recreational, coexistence and religious dynamics that they lead with the active participation of hundreds of young animators and youth center leaders. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Thank you for watching.